Hello everyone, this is Diwakar Pandey. Welcomes you all on our official YouTube channel Knowledge Infusers. We are going to discuss a chapter in mathematics that is called as linear inequations. So let's start the chapter. As we can see from the name, we can get the meaning of an equation that the equations are not equal to each other. Not equal means they will be greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Okay, but they will not be equal to each other. So we will take few examples on it. Means examples of linear inequations are, let's say 5x plus y is greater than 3x plus z. Okay, so here we can see this sign means this equation is greater than this equation. They are not equal to each other. Now what is solution set? क्या होता है? Solution set means the set of numbers which satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation means if there is equation like x plus 2 is greater than 3x plus 7. So all the values of x which satisfy this equation is called as solution set of the equation. Okay, like if I am putting 2 over here or I am putting 4 over here, then what I will get? If I am getting that this equation is satisfied by those values, then those values will be called as the solution set. Means ऐसे values जो इस equation को satisfy करते हैं, x की वो values जो इस equation को satisfy कर दें, वो solution set कहे जाएंगे. Now we will discuss properties of inequations. Properties means if we add, now first property, we'll see the first property. Addition means if we add on both the sides with the same number or a constant, like if I consider this inequation x minus 2 is greater than 4, if I add 2 on both the sides means x minus 2 plus 2 is greater than 4 plus 2. Okay, so this will not change the inequation. Okay, the value will be same. यहाँ से हमें क्या देखने को मिलेगा? x will be greater than 6. Okay, second जो property है that is subtraction means if we subtract any quantity. Now consider an equation like x minus 3 is greater than 10. Okay, if we subtract any number means if I am subtracting x minus 3 minus 4, this will be greater than 10 minus 4. So it will be x minus 7 is greater than 6 and x will be greater than what? 13. 6 plus 7. Okay. Third property, if we multiply or divide with any constant number, like if I am taking 2x plus 3 is greater than any number 10. Okay, if I am dividing by 2 on both the sides or I am multiplying with 1 upon 2 or any number, okay, on both the sides, the value will not get changed. वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करने पर. ओके, नाउ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी दैट इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड विथ एनी नेगेटिव नंबर, ओके, एनी नेगेटिव नंबर, इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग और डिवाइडिंग, consider the next question like x is greater than 2. Okay, here if I am multiplying with minus 1, then it will become minus x is less than minus 2. Means the sign will get reversed. Okay, notice करना है यहाँ पर साइन जो है वो रिवर्स हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है. If I am taking the equation like minus x is less than 2, अब माइनस 1 से अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ इसमें तो क्या हो जाएगा? x will be greater than minus 2. Here minus x is less than 2. बट -1 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x विल बी ग्रेटर देन -2 हो जाएगा। ओके, आई होप कि ये समझ गए होंगे। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम स्पेशल सेट ऑफ नंबर्स ऑन नंबर लाइन। फर्स्ट इज natural number that we denoted by capital N. Okay, natural number को capital N से denote करते हैं. So if we represent it on number line, what we will get? Suppose the number line, a general number line I am taking. So in general number line, there will be 0 in the between, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and before 0, that is on left side of the 0, there will be 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, okay, and so on. So natural number, it starts from 1. So our natural number will be represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It will go up to infinite. So natural number, as we can see, if the solution set belongs to natural number, our solution will be within these numbers, means the number will not be less than 1. Okay, second one is whole number. In whole number, I am representing on this line, or you can take the another number line. So here we can see the number will be represented from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So whole number is starting from 0 and ends up to infinite. So there is no limit. So whole number, if the solution set belongs to whole number, the smaller value of the x will not be less than 0. Okay. Now the next one is integer, that is denoted by I or Z, capital I or capital Z. So in integer we know that the numbers are all the negative and positive numbers, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and here -1, -2, -3 and so on. So integer will be represented by the dot on the number line, similar as whole number and natural number, but here the negative side will also included, isn't it? Negative side will also included in the solution set. So this is the representation of solutions on number line. Now we will discuss the most important, that is real numbers. How do we represent real numbers on number line? Real number, that is denoted by capital R. Okay, and real number includes all the negative, positive, fractional, rational, irrational, all the numbers are included in this number. So how do we represent it? Suppose our solution set is, suppose x is from -1 to 2. Okay, -1 to +2. The solution set is, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, here -1, -2, -3, etc. So we are talking about real numbers. In previous systems we have seen that we are representing the solution set by a simple dot, means by a number, but here all the numbers between 0 and 1, all the numbers between 1 and 2, all the numbers between 2 and 3, here the solution set is -1 to 2. So all the numbers from -1 to 2 will be what? Our solution, means not a single number but all the numbers presented on the number line will be the solution set of our question. So here we represent it as circle on 1 and circle on 2, and we just highlight the line. Okay, we just highlight the line, and this shows the result, or this shows the solution set of our inequation. Now here it is hollow circle, no? Hollow circle means what? Minus 1 is less than x. Minus 1 is less than x. Okay, means x is greater than minus 1. Here the value just before the minus 1 is also included. So our number line starts except 1. Okay, and here 2 is also what? Excluded, because x is less than 2. Okay, now x is less than 2 means hollow circle will be there also. Now understand this, because this is very important. If here it is equal to 2, means value of x is greater than minus 1 but less than or equal to 2, then our solution set will be what? You can represent it like that also. Now this is our solution set, but this circle will be darkened, and this darkened circle shows that this value is also included in the solution. Okay, one side the minus 1 is not included, but this side plus 2 is included. ओके, ये डार्कन सर्कल यही शो करता है कि ये जो 2 वैल्यू है ये भी सोल्यूशन सेट में इंक्लूडेड है, मीन्स हमारी x की वैल्यू 2 के इक्वल भी हो सकती है, बट -1 से ग्रेटर, मीन्स -1 से ग्रेटर होगी, तो -1 से ग्रेटर तो -1 के राइट साइड के ही नंबर होंगे. सो जस्ट बिफोर द -1 all the values will be included in the solution set, and suppose this also is equal to, then this circle will also be darkened. Okay, so these are the cases of real number, representation of real numbers on number line. Now let us try to understand with an example. The question is, find the solution set of 3 into x minus 2 is less than 1, where x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here our solution set will belong to in these numbers only. Okay, because what? This is given a finite set we have. Okay, we have a finite set of numbers from which we have to extract our solution. So let us solve this question. It is 3x minus 2 is less than 1. Okay, now if we solve it, we'll get what? 3 into x minus 6 is less than 1. Okay, here 3x minus 6, so like terms will be on the same side of the number line. It will be 3x is less than 1 plus 6. Okay, we transform this minus 6 to that side. Then next will be what? Next step, 3x will be less than 7. So the x will be what? X will be less than 7 upon 3. And what is the meaning of 7 upon 3? That is, x is less than 2.33. Okay, so x is less than 2.33. That means solution set will be what? 1 and 2. So here you can see what our solution set will be. Our solution set will be the value of x is less than 2.33, means 7 upon 3, that is 1 and 2 only. So our solution set is 1 and 2. Okay, we will not take the values 3, 4, 5, 6 because we have got that x is only less than 2.33 or 7 upon 3. So the value will be, solution set will be 1 and 2 only. Now let us consider the another example, that is, represent the solution set of 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4 is less than 11, where x is belongs to real number. Now here you can see there are three inequations are given, means this is a set and this is also a set. So we will solve like we will take it as 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4 and 5x plus 4 is less than 11. Okay, now here what we will get over here, we will transform x terms at same side and constant terms at same side. Okay, now 2x minus 5x is less than or equal to 4 plus 5, isn't it? The sign will get change of the number when it cross the sign of inequations, and 5x will be less than 11 minus 4. Okay, so here what we get, 2x minus 5x will give us minus 3x is less than 5 plus 4 9, and 5x is 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, so value of x will be what, minus x will be less than or equal to 9 divided by 3 will give us 3, and here and x will be less than 7 upon 5. Okay, now here it is minus x, but we want our x in positive term. Okay, so value of x will be what, we will multiply with minus 1 on both the sides, then what we will get, x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Okay, sign will get change, यहाँ पर साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने -1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है ऑन बोथ साइड्स, और जब हम -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं सो साइन विल गेट रिवर्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट x will be less than what, this is 7 upon 5, we can convert it as what, 5 one whole number 2 upon 5. Okay, mixed fraction. So our solution, we have got a range. Okay, what is the range? Range is x is less than or greater than. Now here you can see x is greater or equal from what, from -3. Okay, and x is less from 1 whole number 2 upon 5. If you get confused, you can convert it in decimal form. You will get what, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So 1.4, you can write it 1.4, no problem. So your value will be between -3 and 1.4. Now here it is given x belongs to real number. Now how will you write the solution set? Solution set will be equal to x belongs to R, means x belongs to real numbers, and we will write this range, okay, as our solution. So -3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 1.4. Okay, now we will represent it on number line. Now here it is 1.4, means we have to divide it in 10 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We will take the 4th division. Okay, and here it is -3, so we will take this -3. Now -3 is equal to x, means this value will be included in our solution set, so the circle will be darken. And here it is x is less than 1.4 means this circle will not be darkened. And this is our solution set. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So here is the another example, that is minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 4. Now solve it. You will get minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1, and another inequation is 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 4. Okay, here what we will get, minus 3 and minus 1 will get transformed to this side, so minus 3 plus 1 is less than 2x, and here 2x minus x will be less than 4 plus 1. Okay, so what we will get over here, it will give us minus 2 is less than 2x, and 2x minus x is as x, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have got a value, that is x is less than 5, and the another value is minus 2 will get divided by minus 2 will give us minus 1 is less than x, and x is less than 5. So we have got a range over here. So what will be our solution? Write x in between, where x is greater than the value. Here x is greater from minus 1 and x is lesser than minus 5, and the value belongs to integer. That means our solution set will be what? Solution set will be from minus 1, means minus 1 is not included, so our value will start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to 4 only, because 5 is not included. X is less than 5, it is not equal to 5. So while representing on the number line, we'll represent it as, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on another side minus 1, minus 2, etc. Okay, now our solution is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In real number, we have take all the values of number line, but here we have to take the only values of solution set, that is 0. We will represent it by darken the number, means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our solution set. Okay, I hope it is clear to you that how to deal with real numbers number line and integers number line. Similarly, we will deal with what? Number line of natural number, number line of whole number. Okay, now let us take another example, that is minus 3 plus x is less than 8x upon 3 plus 2 is less than or equal to 14 upon 3 plus 2x. Let's solve it. Minus 3 plus x is less than or equal to 8x by 3 plus 2, and 8x by 3 plus 2 is less than or equal to 14 by 3 plus 2x. Okay, now here minus 3 and this 2 will get transformed to this side. First of all, eliminate this denominator. What we have to do, just simply multiply with 3 throughout. When we will multiply with 3, we will get what? Minus 9 plus 3x is less than or equal to 8x plus 6. Okay, now denominator part is eliminated, and again here we will multiply with 3, we will get 8x plus 2 is less than or equal to 14 plus, here it will be 6, because we have multiplied with 3, so 8x plus 6 and 14 plus 6x. Now transform the like terms, like 8x here, minus 9 and minus 6 will be on one side, and 8x minus 3x will be on another side, and here 6x will get transformed to this side, so 8x minus 6x will be less than or equal to 14 minus 6. Okay, so what we get, minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15, and here 8 minus 3 is 5x, and again 8 minus 6 is 2x, and 14 minus 6 is 8. So what will be our value? Here minus 15 will get divided by 5, and we will get minus 3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 4. So what is our range of solution? Now range of solution will be, here x is greater than or equal to minus 3, and x is less than or equal to 4. Now the value belongs to what? Integers. So we will write the solution set. We'll write the solution set as what? It will be minus 3 will be included, okay, because it is equal to. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How we will represent it on number line? Just draw a number line and mark all the points. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on another side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So our numbers will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our solution. I hope it is clear to you, and this way you can deal with all the numericals of linear inequations. It is very easy topic. Okay, thank you so much.